Is our favorite cough syrup. It seems to work really well for getting the mucus up and, as they say, loosens up the yuck, which seems to be that ivy leaf. Seems to work pretty well. Plus, it is the tastiest. The only complaint I have is their packaging. It somehow, the honey just gets everywhere. And whatever it's sitting on, it'll have like honey. I don't know how it gets out. It just leaks everywhere. But if they got like, I don't know how they could even fix it. But other than that, this stuff is great. Just the packaging is annoying. For some reason. I don't know why it leaks so much, but it does. But it's great stuff, so don't let that deter you.